Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to the 28 Days Eat with Who's Kitchen video series. Today is day 19 and today's hero ingredient is chicken. If you haven't watched the video from yesterday I showed you guys 3 brilliant ideas what you can do with peppers. Make sure you check them out. Today I'm gonna give you guys 3 brilliant ideas what you can do with chicken. So after I posted cheese and peppers video from yesterday, you guys asked me if I can post more food ideas which you guys can have it as a brunch, have it as a snack, or have it as party food, and you can even eat it during your movie night. So this morning I'm gonna give you guys another brilliant ideas. It's super fast, super easy, everybody love it. It's my version of chicken popcorn. So here I'm gonna use chicken breast. And I'm just going to quickly dice to small bits. Obviously, chicken popcorn is really small, so we don't want massive chunks at all. And if you cut it quite big, it's slightly more difficult to cook through as well. Also, it won't be as flavorful. Here, I'm just going to quickly chop my chicken popcorn to this size, like fairly small. And I'm going to quickly do this. Now I'm gonna put my diced chicken in my glass bowl. Then we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, lots of black pepper for myself because I love black pepper. If you guys not a big fan of black pepper, you can ignore this part or just add a tiny bit. Tiny bit of salt. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoonful of white pepper powder or black pepper powder. Also, I'm gonna add in 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Then I'm gonna give them a quick mix and pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. So it has been more than 10 minutes and just got my chicken out of the fridge. I also prepared 3 bowls here. So I got a bowl of corn flour. In the second bowl, I got 2 eggs and I just beat them. For the third bowl, I have some panko here. So it looks like this. So basically, it's a Japanese styled breadcrumb. And so they normally looks really flaky and gonna make the outside layer really crispy. That's everything we need, and I'm going to remove my cling film. Then I'm going to pop on some gloves. Before I do anything, I'm gonna give the chicken a quick mix. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoonfuls of corn flour and give everything a good mix. Make sure you separate them all, otherwise they're gonna be stick on each other. And add a tiny bit more. Most of my diced chicken are covered with corn flour now. Now we are going to add in some egg liquid. So literally, really straightforward. Let's pour some in. Then we are going to give them a mix as well. Once all the chicken has covered with the egg liquid, this step is going to be slightly different. Rather than adding anything in the bowl, we are going to add the chicken bits into the panko. So I'm just going to quickly grab them and throw in. And at the same time, I'm going to make sure they're all separated. Here I got a baking tray and a piece of baking paper on top of it. And I'm going to quickly spray some garlic flavored fried light oil spray here. Because the whole popcorn flavor I'm going for today is garlic. That's why I use this flavor. So you guys can use, just some olive oil and spread, that will do. And yeah, here I'm going to do an example for you guys. It's basically, in the end, look like this, and I'm going to pop them on the baking tray. So now I'm going to go off camera and quickly do this. With some help, finally I got all of my chicken on my baking paper. So here we are going to preheat the oven to 220 degrees with fan or 240 degrees without. This is not temperature we are going to cook the chicken with. We only use temperature to warm the whole oven up. So we are going to preheat the oven until the temperature is right. Then we are going to drop the temperature to 180 degrees with fan or 200 without. So my oven is ready now, and now I'm going to drop the temperature to 180 degrees with fan. Then I'm going to put my chicken popcorn in the oven for 20 minutes. So I'm going to come back, check them in 10 minutes. And we'll be back in a sec. I'll just plate up my chicken popcorn. I'm going to show you guys. So here is my homemade chicken popcorn and homemade sweet chili sauce. So for this brilliant sweet chili sauce recipe, I already gave to you guys the other day. If you haven't watched that video, I will pop the link above. Make sure you check it out. Right, it's most important part. Try my brunch. Right, here I'm just gonna use my finger, guys, because there's no better way to eat a chicken popcorn, right? I'm gonna pick a big one. I like big ones. The sauce. Honestly, guys, my version of chicken popcorn is brilliant, guys, because I went for the garlicky flavor and the style. The whole chicken popcorn packed with flavor. It's just so gorgeous. And the homemade sweet chili sauce is genius. It's not spicy at all, and it's just balanced to the right point. Honestly, guys, try both recipes. So good. And for this one, because we're homemade ourselves, we know exactly what's in it. Right, I'm going to quickly finish my brunch while it's still warm. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel and tap the bell. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye.